Hi guys, welcome. Today the last day of the month June. Yes, it's today Thursday, June the 30th, 2022, and tomorrow it's July. Yes, the first July, first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test. So tomorrow we have a speed test. Yes. We have here in today's newspaper only one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Here we have the extra puzzles, an additional with the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, and one binary. Only 4 of them, half of them, I will solve. Not all of them, but half of them. Okay, but first we will do this medium Sudoku, and this will be number 477 4777. Yes, 4777. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. Alright. How about? Let me see. Okay. A lot of threes. So 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 1 box left for the 3 in the second column, should be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. The 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 4, 5, 9. Okay. Let me see. 9. Yeah. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 6 in the last column. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then two. Need a 5 here. 3, nope. 3, yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then 7. 7. Okay. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 5, 9, 8. I'm thinking. I need pairs. 2. Yeah. 2. No. 4. 4 to 9. Then. Let me think. 4. 8. Come on. It's taking too long. 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6, 4, 1, 3, 4, 6. Yeah. Come on. 8. 8. The difficult part. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 8. 5, 5. No, 5, 5. 5 could be here. Wait. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. 8, 8. 7, 7. 5, 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. Okay. Well. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah, 7, 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 and the 9. Okay. Alright. So here we have a pair 2 and a 9. So the other pair in this second row should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. 2, 2, 2. 2, 8, 9. Interesting. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, no need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 5, yeah, 5 and a 9. Interesting. Yeah. 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, yes, okay. 8 in that row, okay. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 4 and the 9. So 1 box left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those. So here we have two missing numbers, the 4 and the 9. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so here cannot be a 4 anymore. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 9. One box left in this big square for number 9. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Two numbers left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. For the 5, let me mark those. One box left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 8, 5. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Two missing numbers in the first row, the 2 and the 9. I've marked those 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 the numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Well, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.